Fed cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an entirely significant manner, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly current exchanging volume of fetch.ai in a real sense, all things considered, is at $185,705,654 in an unobtrusive way in a very large manner. By and large, current fetch.ai value sort of is $0.43. First help level for fetch.ai basically certainly is at 7 cents, which essentially is very huge. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through fetch.ai cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters. Essentially got clarification on pressing issues. What basically for the most part is somewhat especially transient cost expectation for fetch.ai. In every way that really matters, is fed an especially wise speculation, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Fetch.ai support and obstruction levels and so on, which quite is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging entirely profound into the Fed's specialized investigation, generally let us by and large explicitly discuss the very all aims and purposes current economic situations, which truly is very huge, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Market examination over the decently in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $136,850,397,543 in a very large manner. The entirely all-out exchanging volume most certainly sort of stands at $47,516,158,315 sort of kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they for the most part generally thought, which essentially really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in an entirely of large way, which especially is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly in every practical sense, has seen a value decline of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span in an actually quite significant manner, which is very huge. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents in a kind of genuinely significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so FET cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an especially most certainly significant manner. These occasions by and large generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a kind of beautiful descending course for especially transient in an extremely kind of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. As of now, an especially broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period. Or so they basically in every practical sense thought. Fetch, AI backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to really in every practical sense recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge in an unpretentious way. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers for the most part sort of become kind of genuinely more beautiful, dynamic, and fundamentally in every way that really matters. Prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition explicitly certainly is a level at which vendors sort of fundamentally become move truly dynamic and basically truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. In every practical sense, further appearance how these occasions explicitly show that the market very is going in a kind of essentially descending course for pretty momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of fetch.ai. Fetch AI execution. The cost of fetch.ai in a real sense is at 43 cents, up 7.86% in every way that really matters, recent hours and in every practical sense, has a value change of 20.67% throughout the week, showing that FET cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which certainly is genuinely critical, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC sort of certainly is 185,705,654 $3.00 while sort of most certainly complete market cap came to $353,560,373 USD, showing that XRP, the very local coin of XRP, fundamentally explicitly is somewhere around 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents in an actually by and large enormous manner. Or so they generally thought. There truly sort of are very nearly 818,912,300 in a real sense, and a real sense are available for use out of 1,152,997,575. Certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking amazingly. Fetch AI Value Investigation FET Cost Examination for the 8th of May 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of beneath, which most certainly basically is very huge, which is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving kind of genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of genuinely basic moving extremely kind of normal and remarkable moving very normal to really by and large examine the future development of the fetch.ai. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span, which truly is genuinely huge incredibly. RSI suggesting close overbought stage while exchanging at 61 and essentially is attempting to fundamentally break out of the lack of bias zone in an unobtrusive manner in a very enormous way. While Fetz-Williams %R pointer by and large for the most part is at 35.392 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal especially truly is somewhat sort of conceivable at this read, exhibiting how there generally by and large are very nearly 818,912,300 especially essentially are available for use out of 1,152,997,575 in an actually certainly huge manner in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line truly is remaining above of the especially extremely signal line after and in every practical sense. Positive hybrid, showing how right now an essentially truly broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period. Or so they especially thought. Fetch.ai financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day outline, showing how Fetch AI Value Examination FET Cost Investigation for the 8th of May 2023 inside a fundamentally everyday time period generally in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, or so they most certainly thought, which is genuinely huge, ends as per our specialized examination information. The very momentary estimate for the fetch.ai cost certainly is for the most part bullish at the hour of composing, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum generally truly has a strength of 16.33%, actually especially as opposed to mainstream thinking incredibly. The digital currency fetch.ai appears to basically be on the ascent once more, showing how while Fetz-Williams %R marker essentially sort of is at 35.392 for the 14-day time span showing a non